Hi guys, we're in the kitchen with my mom, Indy. Today she'll be showing you how to cook curry chicken. Stay tuned.
We're back. So now, next step, I have some oil in the pot. I'm going to drop in some curry powder. Honestly, guys, I don't even know how much this is. It's a lot. I like it very rich, very tasty. Curry powder. So it's been cooking by itself for 10 minutes. Now I'm just gonna leave it and let it cook on its own in its own juices. I haven't added anything to it yet. I'm gonna add in pimento. Now that I added everything in, stir it up. So this is 20 minutes cooking so far. See how the flavors have melted down into the chicken all the time. Pepper. So now I'm going to add my potatoes and my water and cook it down till the potatoes soften, and then we're done. So what I did now was I cut up my potatoes and I put them in the same pan that I had the chicken seasoned in, and I added water. Now I'm going to add that to our curry. Stir it up and then let that bubble away. Honestly, the chicken's already pretty much done until the potatoes soften. I'm going to season it one more time with a chicken cube. So this is a half of a chicken cube. That's it, guys. I am done simmering. That's been about an hour, maybe even longer. I never time these things, but this is it. Cooked down. Everything is good to go. That's it, guys. Thank you for hanging in the kitchen with Indy. Subscribe, like, share. Let your friends know about the recipes. This is the best. Like, look at that. Deliciousness. There you have it, guys. Curry chicken with rice. Pure deliciousness. Thank you for hanging in the kitchen with Indy. Subscribe, like, share. Let me know what else you guys want me to cook. This is my curry chicken. Smells like when my granny used to cook it, you know? Thank you for watching In the Kitchen with Indy.
So good.
That's good?
Amazing. Thanks.
You're welcome, baby. Try the chicken.
Okay.
How's the chicken?
Amazing.